good morning everyone. Good morning OFW around the world, Filipino working abroad, OFW, mabuhay po tayong lahat. So good morning, good morning. So as of now, I also did just finish cooking or melting and pour the soap making. Here you go. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Yan na, kita nyo naman behind me, oh. Ayan. So here you go, guys. This is for my rejuvenating bar soap. O, diba? Ayan. So, color green siya because I use hibiscus on it. So, hibiscus, instead of turning red, it's turning green, dark green, when you mix with other ingredients. So, this one, it's darker. It looks like green, brown, green, the color. Because I use honey soap base. So this one, that dark green, I use shea butter. So that's the difference, guys, when you use different soap base. So I tried to see. So this one is 1 hour ago, it's still soft. And this one, I just finished it for like 10 minutes ago. And another one, here you go, here on the top of the stove. So the rest, I haven't used it. So, see guys, medyo makalat. Kasi nagmamadali ako. When you are rushing, see, tumapon-tapon siya hanggang dun sa baba. Ayan o. So, may mga nasayang. Ito, may mga dumikit. Ayan, natira pa siya. At kung talagang gusto nyong makita kung talagang mabula, I'm gonna show it to you guys. I'm gonna wash it right now. Busy-busyhan si Inday today. Because I'm making or rejuvenating bar soap. Yeah. See guys, see? Diba? Ganda, green na green. So, rejuvenating bar soap. Made in Surrey, BC, Canada. Ayan, diba? This one, shea butter. Ang ano niya, 2 salang ako guys. Two times, 2 batch, this one. So, this one, February 25th. Shea butter soap base I use. This one is darker. It's like turning to brown. The color green to brown. It's honey soap base. So now I have a new rejuvenating bar soap. I-prepare ko siya sa anti-aging oil or anti-aging cream. We will see. I haven't make the anti-aging or rejuvenating oil. So, abangan! At mayroon pa siya dito, sa aking top stove. Yun na. Ang hirap ng very small space, guys, kapag nagagawa ng sabon. I need a huge space for making soap bar. Ayan guys, super mabula, ayan, hindi ko pa yan kinukuskus ha, ayan, kita nyo, pumapatak lang yung tubig, pero super bula siya kasi I add so many honey. Yung honey niya guys, ang nakakapabula sa soup making, kaya dinagdagan ko to ng maraming honey, kaya mas mabula. Ayan ganda ang bango pa. Sarap ng amoy guys, ang bango. Amoy na amoy mo talaga yung mga botanical herbal na inad ko. Grabe. Sarap po. Parang kung pwede nga lang kainin, kakainin ko eh. Here you go guys. I am unmolding my bar soap that I made today, early morning. And tonight, I just get home, so I have to unmold this. And some are soft because 2 batch. So the one is green, dark green, and this one is like brown. So this one, look at that guys. It's so beautiful. My design, the birds. It's hard guys because I mold that here in this mold. And I put on the bottom the molder of that birds. But, you know, it's going up. So see, this is the waste from that molding of the birds. Kasi I have to cut the side to make it looks nice and beautiful. See, it's so beautiful. So yeah, and see this one. But this one I can repair this. And I have so many unmold also. And I still have some more here. And this one is a mermaid. See guys, that's how I do. And I have to remove this from this one. See? So the upper part is gonna be a waste or reject. So I have to put this on the next time. See? Kasi guys, umiibabaw siya. So kailangan kong i-upside down ang paghuhulma. So tinry ko lang siya na makabuo ako. Ito, tutuklakin ko yan dito. Aanin ko yan ng kutsilyo kasi wala akong maisipan kung saan ko siya ilalagay yung mermaid eh. Hindi ko siya pwedeng tanggalin to ngayon kasi masisira yung pakamold. So kukurtihan ko yan mamaya. So this is a rejuvenating bar soap. So it's gonna be pair for managing or rejuvenating and oils or cream. So, ayan na ang ating mermaid design. Hindi siya perfect, but maganda pa rin. Sexy. Di ba? Ganda, oh. Kaya gagawa ako ng yung malinaw na mermaid. Yung sa, siguro ko yung color yellow lang. Hindi yung sa rejuvenating. Gusto ko lang itry. Here you go guys. Buksan na natin ito. This is how I do the, ayan, di ba? Yan ang ating bird na small. Ito yung regular birds. Then the other one was eagle. So this one, because it's small, hulmahan, can fit on the rectangle hulmahan. Ito pa uli. Ayan, medyo malambot pa, oh. At ito yung maliit yata na mermaid. Nagkasya dun sa Ayan na guys, oh, yung isang mermaid. Ayan, kasi bali dalawang mermaid tong hulmahan ko. Dadalawa lang yung mermaid na hulmahan ko. Tapos yung ibon ko ay 4. So ayan na, then ikakat ko na siya. Diyan, kung saan yung line. So ayan na siya guys, oh, di ba? Kita nyo naman, oh. Ayan yung mga hulmahan niya, oh, di ba? Ayan. Oh. Ang gaganda, di ba? At ito yung eagle. So this is the eagle. Yan yung hulmahan niya na hugasan ko na kagabi. Ito yung isang mermaid. Ayan, yung sa nilang binuo ko sa loob ng bowl. Kasi marami ang nasasayang guys eh. Kagaya niyan, oh, kinat ko na sila yung magkakatabing tatlo. Ayan na. So pagtatayuin natin yan, mas magandang tingnan. Ganyan ang itsura niya, di ba? Ayan, oh. Ito din yung mermaid. Try natin. Malambot pa kasi guys eh. Nag-aano pa yung gilid niya, oh. Di ba? Itong ating bird, kung tatayo, ayan, tumayo na sila. Oh, ready to fly, di ba? Ang gaganda. Ito yung mga eagle naman. Ayan. Ito yung isang mermaid. Kaya lang ito hindi siya makakatayo kasi pabilog kasi yung bowl eh. Hindi siya makakatayo guys itong isang mermaid. So, ayan o. Diba? So, ganyan lang yung hulmahan niya guys. Ang ninipis. Kaya kailangan ilalagay siya sa malaking hulmahan. Kagaya ng aking rectangle na hulmahan. Ilalagay mo sa loob, sa bottom or sa top. Tapos ilulubog mo siya. Yan. Mahirap din pero okay lang kasi ayan naman ang resulta. Ang ganda-ganda diba ng aking mga sabon na ibon at mermaid. Here you go guys. Last night I unmold this. This is a honey soap base. So, ayan na yung result niya. Ayan yung ating mermaid. Ang ganda-ganda. At ito yung isang mermaid. Dahil ito, tinanggal ko siya ng malambot pa. Napaaga yung tanggal ko kaya medyo nauka yung tuhod ng mermaid. So dito sa isa, yung green, ayan, yung mermaid. At ito ang ating seashells. Ayan na, oh, di ba? Gaganda, oh, yan. Oh. So see, nakita nyo guys, that the difference between shea butter soap base and the difference, this is shea butter soap base, so dark green, the color, and this is honey soap base, it's become brown, dark brown, the color. Another one here, so this is the green soap base also. So ayan na, mayroon tayong I love mom flowers, bumblebees.